Okay, so we're gonna do a little room tour makeover. Right now, this is where most of her toys are, in this hallway closet that I need to organize. I also have some of her toys in the backyard, like her table and her kitchen set, her kitchen and everything. But for now, this is her room. We tried our best to get the carpet as clean as possible from the previous owner. We couldn't. We got some quotes on how much it would cost to replace this or get it cleaned, and some people were just ridiculous prices. So as of now, we're just gonna leave it because we want to do all the carpets at once, and it's just not in the budget right now. The doors, I am just gonna leave them wood right now because I want to do all the house doors at once. So they're just wooden. I did paint the frames though. Her closet will be done also because her clothes everywhere is still in boxes, so I had to do the closet as well. Her bed frame is broken. It's broken or missing screws, I can't remember. So
it's not broken.
So it's in the backyard, and I'm gonna repurpose it and make it into like a bench or something to put in the front yard. But we are gonna get her a new bed frame that's less bulky and white, because the other one, the bed frame is pink. I painted it pink, but I want to do something white, not too much pink because there's already like a lot of pink going on. So maybe like a white or something, and maybe like distress it to make it look kind of vintage and old. I don't know, we'll see. But this is her bed right now, just like this. We have her vanity, her Elsa vanity here. Looks like that. This, we're gonna find a new table stand for her light because this is not sturdy. It will fall over if you push on it or fall on it or whatever. But for now, this is what I'm using. And she can put whatever she wants down there. And she also has this little bucket thing. She can put whatever she wants in there too. And I have her tent. And I also have, we just built this the other day. So I put her books, I put a frame, her little unicorn, and then she could put whatever else in those little cubby boxes. And I wanted to add a little photo of me and her dad in there. And I have this little candle. Smells so good. I love vanilla. And then this A we got for her second birthday. Second, third? How old is she? Oh, she's 3. How do I forget my daughter's age? But for her 3rd birthday party for her mermaid theme, and then I just put in here, same with these little mermaid tails. I have a gray one I put in the bathroom because I didn't want to put too much in here because it already has 2 and I don't need a 3rd. This used to be on her tent and I just took it off and I put it here on the wall because this Anna just looks so plain right there by itself, so I decided to put that underneath. I wanted to frame this, but I just left it, and it was in the boxes, and I guess something spilled in one of the boxes, and now it is like this, but it's okay. You can't really notice unless you're super close to it. This we got from her baby shower. I do not know who gave it to us, but it was in her last room at the apartment, and I was like, I'll just put it in here too. It's cute. And then I put her pictures. This was from her 2nd birthday. I did like a little photo shoot for her. I think it was at Lake Elsinore. I can't remember where, but it was at the poppy fields. We stopped by and I took a bunch of pictures of her. This is one of my favorites, so I framed it and put in here an A that I painted and put like little glitters on. And then this is her birth pictures also from when we gave birth to her. This was from my mother-in-law. I thought it would look nice in here, so I put it in here for her. It was also in her last bedroom. This was for her birthday party. I think her 2nd birthday. She had a tea party birthday for her 2nd birthday. And I just put that around there. And then these curtains are from Target, but I got them discounted at another store, CCM, which is where stuff that gets returned from Target goes there and they sell for a cheaper price. Same with this tent. I got this tent there and this rug there. So they were from Target, but since people returned it, it got discounted for a cheaper price. And she has her pillows and dolls in here. This rug is from Ross. This blanket cover is also from CCM. This canopy thing was from my sister-in-law. That pillow was from Target in the dollar section. That was from the 99-cent store. This was also from Ross, I believe. This was from CCM. Oh yeah, and then this shelf thing was from Target. The little gold boxes were from Ross. And I got her this piano yesterday from the 99-cent store. This, I already had this little bulb, string light bulb thing. And this used to be from her old lamp, but she broke it. She broke this piece. It was something like this, but white and just circle, and it didn't have like these little hanging things. It broke off, and then all of these metal pieces broke off, so we just ripped it apart, and I decided to put a little string light in there so it could be like a chandelier. We originally wanted to hang it here and have it come down, but the hook we had wasn't strong enough to hold it up there, so we just used one of these curtain hooks and just hung it here. I kind of don't like it there because it's too low, but Ruben, her dad, says it's fine because she's a little small person, so it'll be good for her height. So I guess it'll go there for now. But yeah, this is her room. So the next thing to do would be to finish up her closet, to get a bed frame. I want to get like a storage bench to either put here or here, but we are also thinking about getting a dresser. So we get a dresser I put the dresser here and then move this a little bit more that way maybe. And then the storage bench would probably have to go here or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out. And I did build these in myself. Well, not built them in, but nailed them in myself. I cut them up and put it all in here. If you watched my last video, you would see how I did it. Well, it wasn't very a good video to show you how I did it, but that I did do it. And how this room used to look before all this has been in here. Put it in there. She does have like a Mickey Mouse rug. Maybe I'll put it here for now just to cover up these stains. But yeah, for now this is her room. Let me show you again.